Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mixed sprouts using an easy method. First, gather your chosen whole legumes, such as mung beans, chickpeas, or lentils. Rinse them well under cool water to remove any debris. Then, place the rinsed beans in a bowl and cover them with plenty of water, letting them soak overnight. This initial step is crucial for activating the sprouting process. After soaking, drain all the water from your legumes. Give them another good rinse with fresh, cool water to ensure cleanliness. Now, transfer the rinsed beans to a sprouting jar, a colander, or a breathable cloth. This setup allows for proper air circulation, which is vital for healthy sprout growth. Repeat rinsing twice daily. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And on another note, staying hydrated is key, just like these sprouts need water. Grab an Oala water bottle to keep your hydration game strong. You can find the link for it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. For the next 2 to 3 days, continue rinsing and draining your sprouts 2 to 3 times daily. This prevents mold and keeps them moist. Store your sprouting container in a dark, well-ventilated spot, away from direct sunlight. You'll soon notice tiny tails emerging from the beans, which means your sprouts are growing beautifully and are almost ready to enjoy. Your sprouts are ready to harvest when their tails are about 1/4 to 1/2 inch long. Give them one final thorough rinse under cool water. Pat them gently with a clean towel to remove excess moisture. Then, transfer your fresh, crunchy sprouts to an airtight container. They will stay fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, perfect for adding to meals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.